The skate community here in South Florida, it's huge. And these guys are so dedicated to getting better, and it's like they never give up.
For a lot of these kids, they come from broken houses, not feeling loved. So when they come here, they can get away from all that noise.
Ramp 48 is the only indoor skate park that's on the church campus.
So it's a pretty amazing ministry that we get to teach the Word of God.
The staff and volunteers, we're here to love these kids and to listen to them.
Want to see God show up in a cool way? Well, come to Ramp 48, and maybe you'll even learn how to skate.
It's not just a skate park, it's bigger than that. They're just drawn here to the skating and they get Jesus.